Welcome to Pi Seconds, everything in just 180 seconds. Today the toy of the show is the new Nova Lint Remover. There are some instructions on the left side of the box that you should not do. Now let's unbox the product and see what comes inside the box. So this is how it looks. This is the power supply indicator. On the other side, this is the on-off button, one blade protector, and inside there are 3 good quality blades. This one is the lint collector, which is a good thing, and the lint will come from this hole here. Overall the product looks good. Quality of the plastic is good. In the box, it also comes with a small blade cleaning brush. You will get this product for about 320 rupees on Flipkart. Overall this product is good, but it do not work well on large lints. The product earns 6 pies out of 10. If you are interested, then the links are in the description.